Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into another flashlight, this one being from Acebeam, this one specifically being the UC3A. It is a 900 lumen flashlight, dual LED for the main light. It does have an auxiliary light which is RGB, dual switches, one for the main light, one for the RGB. It does come with a 10-year warranty. This is just the packaging that it comes in. Inside you're going to receive a little bag with a pocket clip, some spare O-rings for the battery cap. Then you'll have your product certification and your warranty card. Then you'll receive a USB to USB-C charging cable and the user manual. But if you play with it for about 14.6 seconds, you will figure out how it operates. But if you would like to pause and take a look at that, you can see the lumen output for the main light, as well as the operation and the functions of each switch. They do have 3 different color variations of this light. They have it in this color, an orange, and a black. Quickly looking at the light, you can see the pocket clip. This side light is the RGB, your main 2 lights up front, your 2 switches. Then you see the battery cap here, which is magnetic. And then that's basically it. You can remove the battery in order to charge it. It doesn't have an actual charging port. It is located on the battery itself. There you can see the battery type. And then the rubber seal on the cap. Like I said, it is up to 900 lumens. The RGB is 270 degrees of illumination. It is made of T6 aluminum. It does have a 1.5 meter drop resistance, and it is IP68 rated. There you can see kind of your lanyard hole over here. And then the function, you just simply press. And then to change the brightness, it is 3 stages. You just press and hold. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high. And then if it's off and you long press, you'll get kind of the moonlight or the low mode, the lowest output. But while it's off, if you press and hold this, I believe, for 5 seconds, then it'll lock the device. There you can see it flashes. And now when you try and turn it on, the RGB goes off, showing that it's locked. So you press and hold for another 5 seconds. And now it's unlocked. Also, if you double tap the front light 2 times, whether it's on or off, it'll go to the highest setting. And then if you triple press, it is going to go into the strobe effect, which is a dual function strobe, or a dual speed strobe. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And then the side light for the RGB, you do have a white light, low and high. And if you click it again, it just shuts off. If you want to change the color, when you turn it on, double click, red, red flashing, green, green flashing, blue, blue flashing, and then you'll have alternating with red and blue. And then you have the rainbow RGB. Wow, that's really hard to pick up in this lighting. You guys will see it better once I shut the lights off. We'll do some testing with it so you guys can see it a little bit easier. It's kind of a rainbow flow. And then just simply press to shut it off. And each color does have a high and low as well if you press and hold. So now I'll shut the lights off and we'll see how it performs in the dark. Okay, so we have just a little bit of lighting behind me. Basically what you're seeing, I have the camera adjusted to, not adjust when the light comes on, so it should look as accurate as possible. So we're going to turn it on to its lowest setting by pressing and holding for a couple of seconds. So this is the lowest setting. And then just tap to shut it off, and then tap to turn it on. So there's the normal low. What we had before was like the ultra low. So this is going to be the low, medium, and high 900 lumen output. Look at those fresh new wheels. Alright, So simple as that. And then if you were on the lowest and then you double click, goes to the highest, and then if you triple click, you're going to get the strobe effect. And then tap to shut it off. Now we'll go through the RGB. You'll start out with white, quite bright, high and low, and then double tap red, and then you can turn it high and low. I'm gonna leave it on low just because it's a little easier to see. So red blinking, green, green blinking, blue, blue blinking, then alternating red and blue, and then should be rainbow after this. Man, it is extremely hard to pick that up on camera. You can kind of see it there along the edge. Like, it is really hard to pick that up on camera. And there is no high or low for this one. But those colors are going to be good for like if you're backpacking, camping, things like that. Otherwise, I don't really know the purpose of the RGB rainbow other than it just looking cool. But yeah, that is the Acebeam UC3A. Pretty impressive little light. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I will have it linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. See you guys next time.